To push your career forward, you will need to pursue in-demand skills to expand your knowledge and capabilities and to set yourself apart from other candidates. To help you remain a competitive job candidate, here are some of the most in-demand skills you should look to develop. Number 1. Cloud computing. Skills in cloud computing are in great demand due to the increasing number of companies moving business functions to the cloud, the global network of remote servers. Cloud engineers are the people responsible for developing and managing these cloud computing systems so end users can easily store files and back up their data. Number 2. Artificial intelligence. Due to the growing number of companies that want to streamline their workflows and derive insightful data while minimizing costs, experts in the fields of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning are in high demand. These professionals usually handle the development of AI. Number 3. Sales leadership. Sales is ultimately what keeps most companies profitable, which means having sales leadership experience will give you opportunities in many different industries. Sales leadership is the ability to close business deals and coach others. Outstanding sales leaders are strategic, looking at the overall view of an issue and identifying patterns to be improved. Number 4. Analysis. Companies look for employees who are great at investigating a problem and finding the ideal solution in an efficient and timely manner. That's why people with strong analytical skills are in high demand in many industries. Analytical skills refer to your ability to understand and analyze a problem or situation and make a decision about what actions to take next. Number 5. Translation. With more companies creating localized content for global markets, you can find an increasing number of work opportunities as a translator. If you want to become a successful translator, you will need to be fluent in both the language you're translating from and the language you're translating to. You must also be familiar with the cultural differences between the country. Number 6. Mobile app development. The industry for mobile application development continues to grow as mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets become the center of communication and work. Business and technological development have emerged at an impressive pace, resulting in an increased demand for people with experience in app development. Number 7. People management. Strong people management skills are about building and strengthening relationships, keeping the team on track, giving the right motivation, understanding the needs of a person on your team and helping others achieve their goals. People management includes the use of both hard and soft skills. Number 8. Video production. The ability to record, edit and produce a video is a valuable modern skill. While video production usually requires a more in-depth education, you don't have to go back to college to learn the basics. You can learn video editing at home with a camera, a computer, a good microphone and video editing software. Many professionals use paid applications. Number 9. Audio production. Similar to video, audio production is becoming a more valuable skill in a wide variety of fields. While radio, music and entertainment are the most common industries that utilize audio production skills, you may also find jobs in large companies that produce their own marketing materials and advertisements. While audio production usually requires a lot of training. Number 10. UX design. User experience design is the key to making a digital world work for people. You can find an increasing number of growth opportunities in this field. Getting into this promising industry requires the right skills and training to meet increasing business demands. If you want to gain an advantage when developing your UX design skills, you can enroll in an online degree program. That's it for now. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update from our side. Thank you.